Welcome to all. Our next topic is physical properties of ethers. Ethers are polar in nature due to presence of electropositive R group and electronegative oxygen atom. The dipole moment of ether is the vector sum of two polar carbon oxygen bonds with a significant contribution from presence of two lone pair of electrons on ethereal oxygen atom. So, dipole moment of dimethyl ether is 1.18 D. D is unit of dipole moment, that is d by. Next, boiling point of ethers are slightly higher, are comparable to the alkanes, but much lower than that of alcohols of comparable molecular mass. Ether molecule are miscible in water. This is due to the fact that, like alcohol, the oxygen atom of ether also form hydrogen bonds with a water molecule, and hence they are miscible with water. Ether dissolve wide range of polar and non-polar substances. These are physical properties of ethers. First one, ether dipole moment value is 1.18 d by due to polar nature of ethers. Second point, ethers are comparable boiling point or slightly greater boiling point than that of alkanes and lower than that of alcohols of comparable masses. See the table column. N-heptane, that is alkane compound. 1-methoxypentane, this is ether compound. Hexane 1-all, that is alcohol compound. These three compounds nearly same molar mass, 102. 1-methoxypentane boiling point is slightly greater than N-heptane but lower than hexanol. Third point, ethers are miscible with water due to formation of hydrogen bond with water. Next, we are going to see about chemical properties of ethers. Generally, ethers undergoes chemical reaction in two ways. One is cleavage of carbon-oxygen bond. Second one, electrophilic substitution reaction. First see cleavage of carbon-oxygen bonds. Ethers are generally very unreactive in nature. When an excess of hydrogen halide is added to the ether, cleavage of carbon-oxygen bond takes place, leading to the formation of alkyl halides. The order of reactivity is given as Hi greater than HBr greater than HCl. See the general equation. ROR, ether react with HX, hydrogen halide, to give RX, alkyl halide, with ROH, alcohol. For example, 1 mole of diethyl ether react with 1 mole of hydrogen iodide to give ethyl alcohol and ethyl iodide. If Hi is taken excess, then the product is 2 mole of alkyl iodide. Next, see the nucleophilic substitution reaction mechanism. Ethers having primary alkyl group, it undergoes SN2 reaction, but tertiary alkyl ether undergoes SN1 reaction. In mechanism, first point, protonation of ether formation by transfer of one lone pair of electrons from ethereal oxygen atom to H plus ion in hydroiodic acid. Second step, protonated ether is attacked by halide ion. The halide ion preferentially attacks less sterically hindered of the two alkyl groups which are attached to ethereal oxygen atom, finally to give the product of alkyl halide and alcohol. Next one, auto-oxidation of ethers, spontaneous oxidation of ethers to hydroperoxides and dialkyl peroxides in the presence of atmospheric oxygen. Both hydroperoxides and dialkyl peroxides are highly explosive, so do not distill to dryness. For example, ethoxyethane stored in presence of atmospheric oxygen, they slowly oxidize to form 1-ethoxy ethyl hydroperoxide and diethyl peroxide. And diethyl ether react with chlorine in presence of sunlight to give perchlorodiethyl ether. Diethyl ether react with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride to give ethyl chloride and methyl propionate. Next, diethyl ether react with phosphorus pentachloride PCl5 to give ethyl chloride with liberation of phosphorus oxychloride. Diethyl ether react with dilute sulfuric acid to give ethanol. Next, aromatic ethers undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. The alkoxy group in ether activates the aromatic ring at ortho and para positions for electrophilic substitution. Common electrophilic substitution reactions are halogenation, nitration, Friedel-Graf reaction, etc. First one, halogenation reaction. Aromatic ethers undergoes halogenation, for example, bromination upon the addition of halogen in presence of or absence of a catalyst to give major product of para-bromoanisole and minor product of ortho-bromoanisole. Next reaction, nitration. Anisole is nitrated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. It gives a mixture of minor product orthonitroanisole and major product paranitroanisole. Next, Friedel-Graf reaction. Aromatic ethers undergoes Friedel-Graf reaction, for example, addition of alkyl or acyl group upon the reaction with alkyl or acyl halide in presence of Lewis acid as a catalyst. For example, anisole react with methyl chloride in presence of aluminum trichloride catalyst to give 2-methyl toluene and 4-methyl toluene. Another one example, anisole react with acetyl chloride CH3COCl or ethanoyl chloride in presence of aluminum trichloride as a catalyst to give orthomethoxyacetophenone and paramethoxyacetophenone. These are chemical properties of ethers. Next, uses of ethers. Uses of diethyl ether. First uses, diethyl ether is used as a surgical anesthetic agent in surgery. Second one, it is used as a good solvent for organic reactions and good solvent for extraction. Diethyl ether is used as a volatile starting fluid for diesel engine and gasoline engine. And also it is used as a refrigerant. These are some uses of diethyl ether. Next, uses of anisole. Anisole is a precursor to the synthesis of perfume and insecticide pheromones and also used as a pharmaceutical agent. These are uses of anisole. Are you understand, students? Today we learn about ethers, classification of ethers, structure of ethers, nomenclature of ethers, preparation, properties and uses of ethers. Thank you, students.